Hey guys, Noah here. This is a 42-inch Fasco Gulfstream ceiling fan. Probably made by Halsey. I'm not sure how old this fan is, but it's pretty old. When I got it, I got this fan from John Connolly, and when I got it, these brackets were pretty sure a replacement set because they did not match. So I put these brackets off of the Emerson Northwind 42-inch on it, and they match pretty closely. Anyway, as you can tell, I'm in a new testing location. This is my fan shed. Okay, so I have a test rig over here just like my other one. Here's low speed. So this should be my new permanent testing spot. It's a pretty decent little fan. And I'll eventually give you guys a whole tour of the shed once it's done. Right now I just have some temporary wiring going on, but temporary wiring hooking up the permanent wiring. I haven't got any outlets wired yet, just the lights. Here's medium. Pretty decent little fan. Canopy is not original. Not sure I mentioned it, but I really like the stencil on this. I'm sorry I got the background noise. Here's high speed. Pretty decent air mover. Definitely helps that it has some room there. Alright, so now I'll do solid state, start all the way on low. And for the record, this light switch here is that middle light. This is the test rig. This does that fan. This does that fan. And these turn on and off the lights. So that's kind of that setup. And like I said, there's temporary power. Anyway, let's do solid state. So start it all the way on the off, basically. Here, kind of hear it humming. About an eighth turn. This is a Lutron control, by the way. This is an older one. It has a trim on it. I have it set about in the middle. Go back in our eighth turn. Doing our eighth. solid state range. Number 8 should be about high. Yeah, we'll just go straight to high. Yep. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.